Hello, future innovators. Welcome to the world of mobile app development by Maker Muse. I'm Alicia. Let's start today with a quick activity. Think about the first app which you used today. Was it for chatting, learning, gaming, or navigation? Say your answer aloud or write it in the comment section. Now, imagine this. What if you could make your own application? Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. Now, let us understand what are apps. App is a short form for application. It is a software program that is designed to run on smartphones and tablets. App helps us in our daily life. We can use them to communicate, play, learn, and to manage tasks. Can you list three apps that is used in everyday life? Mobile apps are categorized into four main types. First is educational apps. They help us to learn, like Duolingo. Gaming apps like Minecraft entertain us. Social media apps connect us with people like Instagram and WhatsApp. And utility apps help us in our daily tasks like Google Maps. Now, can you match one app on your phone to each of this category? Have you ever wondered how apps work? First, apps are created using programming languages like Java, Swift, or Python. Then we download those apps from app stores like Google Play and Apple Store. To work on your phone, some apps may require internet and some works offline. Now consider this. What if you can make your own app without writing any complicated code? That's where MIT App Inventor comes in. MIT App Inventor is designed for beginners. It uses block-based programming language. You can drag and drop blocks instead of typing code. With it, you can create apps, add buttons and images, use phone sensors, build games and quizzes, and you can also test your app instantly. So let us open MIT App Inventor together. So first of all, you'll require a browser. You can either take Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. For this task, I'm taking Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge. Inside search, search for MIT App Inventor. The first link which you see, or the link which has the icon of MIT App Inventor, you have to click on that. It will take you to the first page of the website. Now, here you have to click on Create Apps button. It will ask you to enter your Gmail account. So, for creating an app in MIT App Inventor, you require an account. The ideal account is the Gmail account. So, click on it. In case if you don't see your account over here, you just have to click on Use Another Account, enter your email ID, and click on Next. Then click Enter Password, and you will be signed in. Once you are signed in, this is the screen which you are going to see. You need to create a new project. So to creating a new project, you have to click on New Project. Now you have to give the name of your project. The name of the project should be without any space. So I'm going to write the name of our first project, that is first app. Make sure that you write it without any spaces and just click on OK. Now your app has been created and it will take you to the place where you can create and design your own app. Let's see parts of MIT App Inventor. The first is the designer interface. This is where you design your app. You add buttons, labels, text boxes, and many more. Next is blocks editor. This is where the apps gets logic. You can connect blocks like puzzle pieces. Blocks include control, math, text, logic, variables, and procedure. The last is testing tools. You can test what you have made using your mobile phone or an computer emulator. Using MIT App Inventor, you can build real apps that solve problems like quiz apps, reminder apps, to-do list apps, or fitness apps. So, what would you like to solve? Before we wrap up, let us understand what we have learned today. We have learned that mobile apps are software application designed for mobile devices. Types of mobile apps. MIT App Inventor is a platform for creating mobile apps. The designer interface in MIT App Inventor is used to build apps layout, while the blocks editor is used to define how the app works. Creating apps helps us solve real world problems and fosters innovation. Now, take a moment, think about your app idea and sketch it in your notebook. Great work! You took your first step to become an app developer. In next video, we will build our first step together. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep innovating.